We got that guy Thompson.
He's a famous violinist.
Wow. Whoa. He's very good. That's me, Thompson. I play and produce music, drive cars for fun, amongst other things. Come follow along. I'm about to reveal something. I got an STI. Yes, I got an STI, not the sexually transmitted disease, but the car. So I wanted to show you guys. Here it is. First look at my 2005 STI. Right now it has the carbon fiber hood on it. Massive hood scoop, of course. It's lowered, custom rims, and the back on the trunk we have fiberglass trunk. So this is actually going to be switched out. I'm a big fan of the STIs with a big silly wing in the back. It looks kind of naked, honestly, without it. I kind of like it because it looks understated, but I want to go all out, make this car look absolutely ridiculous. And then after that gets done, I'm going to show you guys what has been done to the engine, which is an absolute crap ton. The engine in this thing is absolutely insane. It even has a line for NOS. So it's bright and early, but today is a good day because I'm off to pick up the wing for my STI. It has arrived from Japan. I'm going to JDM Califonia. I'm gonna head down there now, take you with me. Let's check out the place, let's see what they got. So I'm here with my guy, David. What's up, guys? Down at JDM, so he runs the place. So he's hooking it up with the rear spoiler for my STI.
We just got it yesterday. Let's go in, I'll show you.
So you have like engines for everything in here? STIs, you were saying, Supras?
Yeah, 2JZs, SR20s, Hondas.
Pretty much everything. So if you need it, you've got it. It's a big JDM scene in California?
It's huge.
Yeah.
It is huge, yeah. We opened this location, well, I did in 2014. It's been like almost 6 years. A lot of demand on the Hondas. It's the most popular one, but everything. 2JZs, we have it at parts, half cuts, yeah.
All right, let's see what this thing looks like. Now you gotta take it to get painted.
I guess they had a small damage right there.
You could always pull that out anyway, I'm sure.
Yeah. That's the bad part of getting from Japan. Sometimes on the container,
Yeah.
they stack up too much.
They get
stuff.
banged up.
Yeah.
But that should pull out pretty easy anyway. Should look good when it's all painted up black, put on top of the car.
Yeah.
So I'm back here at Route 66 Collision Center. George, my friend, is actually sick today, so he's not in, but I'm getting the trunk installed on my car, which is right over there in the bay. My car will finally have the wing on it, like the STI should have. It's gonna hopefully look nice and sweet and sexy, so let's get to it. Smoke shop, and we're about to do a taste testing video with Andre and Nina. Nina is watching her crazy surgery videos.
My surgery video for the new
boobs, which I definitely don't want to watch that video. Surgery videos freak me out.
Oh yeah.
So I can't believe, so you actually literally you're watching a video of your surgery.
Yeah, it is.
It's very fascinating.
I freaked out.
Fascinating, it's scary.
It is scary, but look at the end, I'm like, ah, it was just a cat nap.
Oh my goodness. How long were you out for?
Like an hour and a half.
Damn, that's not
And
too
they
bad.
filled the whole tank.
Really?
Yeah.
This is it?
Look at my face.
Oh,
I didn't
no.
even remember that.
What snacks do you have for us today?
We got a lot of snacks, a lot of exotic snacks.
So we're gonna
from
try?
Dubai, and then we got some Japanese snacks.
Japanese snacks, so yes, we got
What else do we
4
got?
flavors here to try.
Of course.
You decided to get into it?
Yeah.
All right, let's try them.
All right.
I'll put this thing on the tripod. All right, so here we are. We are gonna try some of these delicious flavors from across the globe. What countries do we have here?
We got Japan.
Japan.
We got Dubai.
What are these other 2? Made in USA. What do you want to try first?
Japan. It's just in our face.
What flavor we got here?
It looks like some shrimp on the grill. Shrimp on the Barbie is the flavor. I don't know about that one.
Yeah, I don't know that.
What flavor is this?
Crawfish.
Crawfish.
I don't know.
Nina first.
No.
Bad? Oh, you
No.
tried it.
Yeah.
It tastes like cat food.
Here, cheers. Cheers.
I don't like that. It tastes like cat food. Crawfish flavor.
I'm waiting for the flavor to like kick in.
Just a little.
I think I'm gonna like it. I think I like it, bro. Do you like it? I like it.
You have to eat it.
That's not for me.
How
I'm
much
not
cat food have you eaten before?
Exactly.
Honestly, like, I'm gonna rate these. These are good. We should give it a score out of 10. I'm gonna give it an 8. I actually like it.
I give it a 1 out of 10.
1 out of 10.
Yeah.
4.5.
4.5. What's that average out to? I don't know, 6.5?
Let me do the math in my head real quick. 15 divided by 3, that averages to a 5.
Oh, 5.
10 plus 10?
There you go.
It's a sweet chili pepper. Oh.
I have a feeling I'm gonna like this one.
Yeah, that sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
How's that hit the nostrils?
It's kind of neutral.
Neutral?
Oh, yeah.
The old factory senses, right?
Yeah. They make something like this in America.
Let me try this. Where's this from, Dubai?
Middle East.
To me, it tastes like, you know those crackers, chicken and a biscuit?
Oh,
That's what it tastes like.
I don't even know what that is.
That's because you gotta be hood to know.
My
It's hood
Australian, that's
crackers.
just like coming out. It's not helping me here.
I give that one a 9 out of 10.
9 out of G's.
I'm gonna have one more.
Neither of these have offended me, so I'm gonna give them both 8s. I'm not being offended by the flavors.
I'll give it like 8 too.
Yeah.
Alright.
It's not like up there, but it's like up there.
Number 1 and number 2 so far.
I would definitely buy a family-sized bag of those.
Tomato. Ketchup. Tomato or tomato?
Nice.
Which one do you prefer?
Tomato.
Tomato. Tomato.
Alright, let's check it out. Let's see.
Tomatoes.
That's how it hits the nose.
Ooh, muscles.
Ooh.
Ooh. Kind of smells like ketchup.
Okay, this is my favorite one.
No. Not for me.
It tastes like a crispy tomato.
So this is
Tomato.
this is the type of Lay's, as we say, we put in a sandwich.
I can
Yeah.
actually imagine that.
Let me try one more.
Or like a meal that you don't have to put ketchup on. So you could use this instead.
I feel like that has to go with something. Like by itself, it's very weird.
It is very weird by itself.
Well, my Armenian ass has to get some yogurt.
See, that's the thing. I think you could pair it with something.
This definitely gives me like tomato paste, canned tomato vibes.
I'll give it a 6 out of 10.
I give it 4 out of 10.
Ooh.
9.5 out of 10.
You got
Wow.
some harsh ratings though.
I know what
This is
I
my
like.
favorite one.
That's your favorite one? Like, every time it's like, it's my new favorite one.
No, this is my favorite one.
Yeah.
Alright, well now I think it's time.
Because it reminds me of back home.
I think it's time for dessert.
We usually open it from the top, but the beautiful packaging that they did, see? Right here.
Oh, you can just
So
slice
you get your little left hand,
Get your left hand.
and you get
Don't confuse it with the right
and then
hand.
you get Nina's reaction. Oh my god!
Oh yeah.
And you know,
Oh, yeah.
open both hands real quick.
Oh, this is
Wait.
popcorn.
We have to smell it.
You guys, I didn't know this was popcorn.
That's a lot.
This is a lot. What if I don't like it?
No, this was bomb. It smells really good.
It definitely smells like the Oreo filling.
Oh, that's good. That is good. Alright, this is I reckon it's a 9 out of 10.
I'm thinking about it.
It's 9 out of 10.
I'll make it easy for you.
Yeah, I'll give this one an 8.5.
I don't think they could do this any better. This is absolutely delicious.
This is bomb.
This is really good.
This is really good.
There you go.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
This is so interesting. Who would have thought?
This is so good.
I'm making a mess.
Those are bomb.
Honestly, this is ridiculously good. What the hell? Like it's so, whoa.
What the hell?
This
So
is
good.
you know what? Okay, 10 out of 10. This is delicious.
This
Right?
is 11 out of 10.
It gets better. Like literally, it gets better.
Yeah, you get used to it and then you just want to do it again. I think that's why they made it a popcorn.
Damn, this is good. I think we're done. Well,
No,
they're actually not
right.
done. They're
You
still
can
eating,
also
but
finish.
I'm done. So I'm back out here at Route 66 Collision Center to pick up the STI. The wing is finally installed. As you can kind of see behind me there, it looks absolutely sick now. I'm telling you what, like this car needs a wing. Just so excited to get this thing back on the road. The wing looks absolutely amazing now. So if you remember before, it had a dent in it, had some other imperfections. That's all gone now. It's in perfect condition, perfectly painted. It looks absolutely beautiful. Check it out. If you guys need any body work on your cars, come down and see my boy George at Route 66 Collision Center in Glendale. Literally does the best work. Like, look at this. It's like literally immaculate. You wouldn't even believe. Like this top, this was matte and now it's perfectly painted in the same obsidian black bell color. The dent completely gone. Any imperfections completely gone. Honestly, look at this. The work that George does down here at Route 66 is absolutely unbelievable. So come down, mention my name, he'll hook you up, give you a discount if you mention Thompson. Man, I'm just so happy to have my baby back and I cannot wait to get on the road. So I'll talk to you soon. I'm gonna go for a drive.